In this video, I'll be showing you how to create realistic AI photos of yourself and also how to remove the logo from it. So what brought you to this app? What brings you to this app? We are going to be clicking create AI photos, okay? Then we click on next. So these are the features, one of the features of this app. So the next one, we are going to look at the next one. You click on the arrow. So this is old photos. If you have old photos, maybe they are not clear, you can use this. It also can be used for facial details. So let's click the arrow to the next page. So here you give access to photos. It's necessary to give access to photos so that you can be able to pick photos from your library. So we are going to click give access. If you want to allow for notification, you can allow. If you don't want, fine. So here you are going to enable free trial, which is 1 week free trial. Okay, so you put your card details and maybe after that you can unsubscribe. Okay, then here these are some of the pictures I've created with this app. Yes, the ones I have created before. These are the pictures. So I am going to be creating another one. So I'll be selecting some of these pictures, but here you can use this to enhance your photo. Okay, you can also use this app to enhance your photo. So now we are going to move to AI photos. So these are the kind of photos you should upload. Okay, selfies. It should be selfies. So now photo library. If you did not upload clear selfies, you will not get photos that look like you. So it's very important you upload clear selfies like these ones I'm selecting here right now. So let it be clear. Let it be the ones that are close to the camera, not the photos that you are very far from the camera. So here these are models, okay, you can use for your photos. These are for females, they have for males. So as a female, I won't go for the male, so I'm going to be using female gender. So I will select one. So I'll be selecting one model from here. Okay. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, I've seen what I want. So I'll be selecting this model on heart. All right. So it has started. So this is it. That's cool. So if you want, you can download. If you don't want, you can delete it. You get this arrow there, you click on it, it will be downloaded in your phone. If you don't want to delete, if you want to generate more, you click, okay, select another model you want to use. So these are the ones I have created in the past. Can you rate them? I believe they are beautiful, okay, and they look just like me. Okay, so now I want you to do something. Like, before I give you the name of the app, these two apps I'm talking about, please like this post, this video. You comment, and then subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on any of my social media. Wherever you are seeing this video, do not forget to follow. So have you done that? I'm waiting. All right, so let me show you the app. So now the app you can use to design this is Remini. Go to Play Store or App Store, you will find it, Remini. So let me open so that you'll be very sure that it is the same app I used for this. So this is it. We are back to it. I just click on open, we went back to it. So this is it. So now I'm going to be telling you how to remove this logo here, this Remini watermark. I'll be showing you how to remove it. So you are going to go over. If you have another better app in your phone, you can use to do it, it's fine. So we are going to use this app. So I will select that particular photo you saw. There is free trial for this app. If you want to upgrade it, okay, but you can still use the free feature. So now I'll be using quick repair. Okay, then I will reduce the eraser. So I'll be using it to erase the watermark, and that is the logo. I'll be using it to erase it. So that is what I'm doing right now. So after erasing this, pay attention. If you are going to use this app, kindly pay attention to me so you don't miss something. So after you click on next, then are you seeing effect 1, effect 2? Click on effect 2. When you click on effect 2, or you click on effect, you will see that after erasing it, that place won't be clear. But when you click on effect 2, you see everything will be cleared. Like it will look like it's untouched. You get? So now you can head to the arrow above and click save. You see save, click on. If you want to save in PNG, fine. If you want to save in JPG, fine. So let's go over to the library. So here is the picture. So now let me give you the name of the app. The name of the app is Photo Touch. Okay, if you have any other better one, it's fine, but this is one I use for iPhone. So I'm going to click on open so we can see. So it took me back to the app. All right, thank you.